VIPs, how you doing? On the bass guitar for you this evening. Strongest tune on a Ryanair flight this morning. Facial 747. On the bass guitar, Mr. Will Rockets. Eurovision a couple of years ago with the Austrian, the Austrian lady who won. I think his name was Conchita. Did you see that? Remember that? Recognise him? For those of you who don't know what we're talking about, go home and Google Conchita Wurst Eurovision. Then Google Chris Chapman. On the drums for the singing, Mr. Chris Chapman! On the guitar. We like to try a few things when we introduce this one. We've had it before where we had like cricket ground style round of applause. We've had it with complete silence. We've had everyone, last night everyone called him a bastard in perfect time. We want to try something a little bit different tonight. Are you up for a Ballymena? Are you up for it? We're going to say his name. You're not going to shout. You're not going to cheer. You're not going to clap. We don't want none of that shit. When we say his name, we want everyone to turn around and walk to the exit well quick. Are you up for it? Are you up for it? Maybe don't walk to the exit. Just have everyone face the bar and ignore it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Driver? Are you in? Let's give it a go. No clapping, no cheering, no shouting. Just turn away. Shame. Are you ready? On the guitar! Mr. Sorry, we've been friends for 17 years and every night you get ridiculed. On the guitar! Mr. Lance Daniels. On the gentlemen. People over here, how you doing? People over here, how you doing? Sing, yeah, yeah. Over here, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Over here, what he sing? He sing, one more side of whiskey. He sing, one more side of whiskey. Sing, one more. Come on. Here she comes, over here you sing one more shot of wine. Sing one more shot of wine. Sing. Come on. Whiskey. One more shot of whiskey. Sing one more. Just sing one more shot of whiskey. Sing one more. Come on, man. One more shot of whiskey. One more shot of wine. One more shot of whiskey. One more shot of wine. Give me one more shot. Two more shots. Three more shots. Diamond, scream for me. Sing. Ladies and gentlemen, from the very close, thank you so much, friends. We'll see you again. Good night. We'll be over there in 10-15 minutes. Come and sit around. Let's have a drink. We'll see you again. Good night.